अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक होंगे और जिधर भी होंगे खुशबाश होंगे। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है वो है बैटरी कनेक्टर केबल इन डिटेल। अगर आप भी हमारे चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो इसे जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें, साथ बेल आइकन भी प्रेस कर लें ताकि आपको हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस के अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन जल्द मिल सके। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। Battery connector cable in detail. A battery connector cable is a crucial component in the electrical system, allowing the transfer of the power between a battery and the device or circuits. Its power. Here are detailed look at its components and characteristics. First is cable wire. Material. The wire is typically made of copper due to its excellent conductivity. Aluminium is also used but less commonly. Insulation. The wire is insulated with material like PVC, rubber or silicone to protect against short circuits and environmental damage. Gauge. The wire gauge thickness varies depending on the current load. The cable is designed to carry thicker wires, handle higher currents. Second is connectors. Ring terminal, circular connector that attach battery terminal via screws or bolts. Straight terminal, that connectors that slide on battery terminals. Anderson connector, multi-pin connector, often used in high power application. Kick, disconnect, easy to connect, disconnect conduct for convenience. Material, typically made of copper, brass, or tin-plated steel to ensure good electrical conductivity and corrosion resistance. Third point is connector covers. Purpose: provide protection against accidental short circuit, physical damage, and environmental exposure. Material commonly made of plastic or rubber. Fourth is length and flexibility. Length varies depending on the application. Shorter cables are used within compact systems, while longer cables might be required for automotive or industrial application. Flexibility. The cable must be flexible enough to move through tight space but robust enough to avoid damage over time. Fifth point is current and voltage rating. Current rating. Based on the insulation material and thickness, ensuring the cable can handle the voltage without breaking down. Sixth point is special feature. Field resistance. Some cables are designed to withstand high temperature. Shielding. Some cables includes shielding to reduce electromagnetic interference (EMI). Color coding. Often cables are colored for example red for positive, black for negative for health identification. 7 point is application. Automotive. Used in car batteries to connect to the electrical system. Renewable energy. Connects batteries to inverter or charge controller in solar power system. Portable devices. Smaller cables are used in electronics like laptops or phones. Would you like to explore a specific type or use case for a battery connector cable? Tell me in the comments. ये था हमारा आज का टॉपिक। उम्मीद है कि आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको भी हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक करना बिल्कुल भी मत भूलिए।